Is it legal to install pirated games on Xbox 360?
Hello and welcome to this informative video. Today, we are going to tackle a subject that's been asked quite a few times. Is it legal to install pirated games on Xbox 360? This issue revolves around both ethics and the law, and we're here to provide some clarity on it.
What does pirated games mean?
To start with, let's clarify what we mean when we say pirated games. These are games that have been copied, distributed, or installed without authorization from the copyright holder. This typically means games that you haven't paid for or that have been distributed without the game developer's permission.
Is it legal?
The short answer to this is, no, it is not legal. Installing pirated games is a form of copyright infringement. In most countries, copyright law protects the rights of creators, including game developers, to control and benefit from their work. So, if you install a pirated game, you're infringing on these rights.
What are the penalties?
The penalties for copyright infringement can vary widely, but they are often severe. These can include fines and even imprisonment. Moreover, Xbox's terms of service strictly prohibit the use of pirated games. If you're caught, your Xbox Live account can be permanently banned, leaving you unable to access online services.
What about fair use?
Some may argue that fair use allows for this type of behavior. However, fair use is a legal doctrine that provides exceptions to copyright law, typically for uses like criticism, news reporting, teaching, and research. Installing and playing pirated games doesn't fall under these exceptions. In conclusion, it's pretty clear. Installing pirated games on your Xbox 360 or any other console is illegal. It's important to respect the work of game developers and publishers who put time, effort, and resources into creating these games. Remember, by purchasing games legally, you are supporting the creators and encouraging them to make more great games in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay safe in your gaming endeavors.